universe shrouded in mystery, beyond the stars where mankind has never dared to venture, a journey of discovery awaits.
Stop, put it down.
They are the pioneers, the explorers, the last hope for humanity. When Earth's future hangs in the balance, one planet will hold the key. But what they find there defies imagination. A battle for survival unlike any other. They will unlock the truth, but not everyone wants it revealed. In the depths of the cosmos, war will rage, heroes will rise, and the fate of two worlds will collide. This summer, embark on a journey beyond your wildest dreams.